professional athletes. They do it day in and day out. This is no stunt. They know when it's coming, when it's